Like I said, the moon's orbit around the Earth plays a very important part in our tide schedule and the tides that happen on Earth's surfaces. With the Earth and Moon system, gravity is like a rope that keeps pulling the two bodies together and is a configural force in is what keeps them apart. Um, this force is greater than the moon's gravitational pull, which means that the oceans are going to move because of the force of gravity from that factor. Um, since the moon's gravity is not as strong, it pulls the water from the opposite side of the Earth and makes it larger and like it bulges out, which is more like a high tide. And a low tide happens on the opposite side of where the moon isn't and makes the water recede. Um, this can be predicted for sailors and sailing for times on when to come into shore, when to come out to shore, because the tide is such a variable and drastic difference. Here's a picture actually of what the tide really looks like. As you can see, on high tide, when the tide is in, there is the boat sitting on top of the water, and when it's out, there's a drastic difference where there is no water and the water is sucked out because of the moon. Um, this happens every day, and the amount of hours that it happens is about 12 hours every day. So it is very predictable in terms of when a high tide will and when it won't happen.